Okay, good morning, happy Monday, December 20th. No Santa Claus rally yet, but it is the week that Santa Claus is supposedly supposed to show up. Hope you're prepared. If not, good luck fighting the traffic out there. Okay, this day started off. I have made 3 trades today and all green all the way. Kind of nice. Christmas is green and red, but I gotta say, in these times, I'd rather have a lot more green. First candle of the day here with Tesla, making its range. More power to those people who jump in during those times. There's a nasty retracement down. Things I'm looking at today are the algos, the tape and the tempo, mainly just to see what's going on. Trying to find a way to understand when it's not a good time to trade. My first trade is at, when is my first trade? At 32 minutes, 8:32 my time Central. Another thing I'm doing is watching the clock. 1 minute time frame right here in this chart, but looking at when it switches over to the next candle and what it does at the 30-second mark. Those actually, people probably think, nah, but you gotta watch it sometime. Some days it really makes a difference. You can tell momentum, which way it's going. Notice these tails in this candle. Whew. First trade is a put trade. Last 2 are calls, which is kind of odd considering where the market is right now in Tesla. It's kind of hanging around 1990. I'm sorry, 900 area. Very strong area. It's been below it, it's been above it. Right now going to current low a day. Here's my first trade. I had a little lag. I tried to cancel a trade that it didn't get, and for some reason it didn't take it. And then, as you'll notice, my cursor will be up here about to try and sell again, where I'm at the sell button, and then it goes off. So there was a very dangerous lag there, and that kind of worried me at that point in time.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in 25.80, 3 contracts, 900 puts. I hit sell and it didn't catch me. So I'm hitting cancel, 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 cancel. No luck. So I'm looking at it.
Order cancelled.
Normally whenever I when I click this one right here, it'll show up in market, but it didn't do that either. So now I'm looking. Again, I'm at 25.80.
Order filled.
Notice what I did there, clicking on that, the high number, and poof, got right in. Should try it sometime. If it's the market that's doing good. Tape speed's kind of slowed down. Little ask over here, a little bid here, a little ask over here, kind of going back and forth. I sometimes wonder if it's algos selling to each other because nobody else wants to get into the market. Very emotional selling going on here in the start. Spine Q kind of ranging down. There was more money there to be made, but I don't mind waiting. My second trade is at 8:39. Seems like I fast forward a little bit here to get into that. 8:39. It was a 6-second trade, and my last one, which I sped up to edit it, was 8:57. That was a 4-second trade, and that was actually my best trade of the day. True scalping. I like the longer scalps myself, but in and out. Quite a retracement back here. If you watch the speed of the tape here, it'll slow down. That is not a good time to get in because they're just waiting for you with a catcher's mitt. Now we get a little speed up here. Slows back down. I'm not sure if that's institutions. Myself, I think it is emotional selling going on and probably weak traders, that's you and I, not the big money, taking profits at hard levels. Notice right here, even though the video's running, this right here is right at 903. This one here is right at 905, and here is 907 about a little bit. The first one was a little off.
Order filled.
So I'm taking a little momentum play here, 23.45. 9:15
Order
calls.
partially filled. Order filled.
That was a 6-second trade there. Not much. $1.32. I only traded in the first 28 minutes of the day, but my trades entry was at 8:32, 8:39, and 8:57. I had to wait. Sometimes you gotta wait. They always say patience is a virtue, and I keep telling that to myself instead of making stupid mistakes and jumping in too early or too late. Watching this more, keeping an eye on that, and the clock have been my... Today just seems it's been flowing very smoothly. I mean, it's not always going to be like that. Notice the pullback there in the trade I just had. I don't mind leaving money on the table, especially if I'm green. I always say that, and I'm never in a hurry to lose my money, even though some days it seems like I'm giving it away. My next trade is going to be an interesting trade. 4 seconds, and somehow I timed that perfectly. So now you can see I kind of fast forwarded through all this down, and now it's just kind of ratcheting up, looking for another break high a day. I didn't take this. And why? Actually, no, I'm looking at the wrong one. The one over here was the one that broke the current high a day. Now I'm watching this and saying, I don't know. It just seems like there's going to be a pullback here, and there is. So I may have hesitated, but I'm glad I did. Truthfully, as the best trade would have been about right here. But this is a Santa Claus frame of mind, and ho ho ho, it's not been the best with a sell bias. Be interesting to see where the end of this week goes. Then of course next week. I've actually seen a lot more selling over the years. I say selling. I have seen where these weeks right here, this one going into Christmas, it's not a rally, it's more of a decline. Okay, I'm in. 2670. I don't know if you saw that, but me talking. 2670 out at 2790. If you want, pull that back to see that time exactly. That was a great fill. And it just shot up. And instead of waiting, notice where I am now, and I just took that quick clip for $120, $1.20 times 3. That's it for me as far as trading goes. I'm done. I could show you what it does from here. From here, it just drops down and down. In fact, how far down does it go here, Dean? Or should I say Dio? From here, it goes to the low a day at 893.39. From there, we've got kind of an odd range with a bias down. But you know, I'm not going to sweat it, because I'm up basically $700 plus commissions. That's minus commissions of $697. Nice thing, Interactive Brokers takes it out. You don't have to wonder. So I've had 3 trades. This one was a little under a minute because of the lag. Then I had what? 6 seconds and 4 seconds. Not bad. Hope you have a Merry Christmas. Happy New Year if you're off on a vacation, traveling. Have a good one. See you next time. Happy Christmas, y'all. Spend it with the ones you love. And if you can't be with the ones you love or family or friends, just remember, you are loved. God loves you. We all are traders. We should stick together. There isn't really any competition. We just have to follow our own rules and do what we have to do. Anyway, see you next time, tomorrow. Have a good one.